Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing good out there. So this is just a follow-up video. I forgot to mention on my last video doing the 3D trunk tray for the Honda Pilot, but I wanted to share this code with you right here on the screen, Honda John 3D10. If you use this code on their website, you'll get $10 off any order over $100. So if you guys are wanting to get some floor mats for your Honda Accord, they have it for Civic, and of course the Pilot here. So like I said, these are great mats. If you've never heard of them, definitely check them out. A lot of people are running these mats. They look more like a carpet mat when you just glance at them. They're not like a big hard plastic mat. Looks really nice, and the texture is something different than any other mat I've seen. Like I said, I'm running these in the Pilot. Wouldn't go to anything else. I love them. They work great. Been to the snow with them. Easy to hose off, clean them up, and they look great. Like I said, when you glance, it doesn't even look like you have mats on. So that's always a good thing too. It's nothing worse than get mats for your car to protect it, and it's just these big pieces of plastic in there. I've never been a fan of that. So definitely check them out. Like I said, use that promo code, $10 off anything over $100, which is pretty much any floor mat set there. So take advantage of that, guys. I appreciate it. If you guys are using these mats, drop a comment below. Tell me what your thoughts of them are. I've used these in previous Accords I've had. Held up perfectly. Love them. They have great customer service too. So definitely check the link in the description. And don't forget to use that promo code and protect your car. So I appreciate it, guys. I do. Have another video coming up very shortly. So definitely stay tuned. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.